To automatically enable the eye comfort shield feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra at night, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display, scroll down the screen. Next, tap eye comfort shield. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Select custom. Next, tap set schedule and then select sunset to sunrise. With this setting, your phone will automatically enable the eye comfort shield feature at night or between sunset to sunrise. As a note, when you choose this setting, you have to make sure that location in your phone is enabled, so your phone can get the information about when the sunset and sunrise happen on your location. Here, you can also manually adjust the color temperature that's right for you when the eye comfort shield feature is on. To do so, you can slide the adjustment bar below the color temperature to the left to get a cooler color, or slide it to the right to get a warmer color. Given to the function, it'd be better if you enable the eye comfort shield feature in your phone, regardless of which option you select, because this feature will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Also, research shows that using this feature at night will be able to help you easier to fall asleep. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.